Motivational Miller TV, and we are here at the beautiful Nanalyn Jerk. And we are going to ask her about what type of food she cook, where she located, and why people will come and Nanalyn Jerk. That's Nanalyn. Tell me what's going on right here today.
Okay, we have on our menu today jerk pork, escovitch fish, oxtail, curry goat, curry chicken, jerk chicken, and fried chicken. Rice and peas.
So Nanalyn, we have a lot of Jamaican restaurants about the place. What's special about Nanalyn Jerk?
Nanalyn takes the time out to make sure the food is well prepared and seasoned, and I spent a lot of love inside of the recipe. There's a lot of love in the recipe and patience so that the food will come out on top of everybody home.
So where are you located?
I'm located at 564 Wilson Heights Boulevard. That's North York, Ontario.
All right, what's the meaning of Jamaica Day to you?
Jamaica Day is a special day because it's very much cultural to meet all other vendors, competition, to meet a lot of different culture people, and it bring out the warmth of everybody here getting together to know each other, bring out new clientele for your business as well. So I like to be at the events then.
Auntie Dana make the whole world know about your restaurant. Any message to Auntie Dana right now?
Big up yourself, Auntie. I am here. I wish I could be there with you, but we are here. We all love you. We think about you, and thank you for the highlight. God bless.
All right, people, Motivational Miller TV, and we just give Nanalyn one of the best restaurants in Toronto. And she's there in Brampton right now. I do our business at Jamaica Day. So if you're in the community one day, just stop by Nanalyn. You get the best jerk chicken, curry chicken, fish, oxtail, rice and peas, and curry goat. No accolades. You see me I say? We're there. Nanalyn, big up yourself. Out. Thank you, Nanalyn. Yeah.
Socialize with people. Go like to share some